Hey, Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Check this out. In your face. Check out the color. 2020 GT, 10-speed automatic, naturally aspirated build. So what we're going to do today is we're going to watch a dyno pull of this car right here on 85 laying over 470 real horsepower. Hey, he's a racer. This is a naturally aspirated class he races in. He runs on a radial. It's the OSCA, which stands for Outlaw Street Car Association. Hey, they're out of Kentucky. So if you're in that Kentucky area, you might want to check that out. But if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. What we're going to do today is we're going to check out the engine compartment. We installed cams on this car, set of long tube headers. Of course, you can't see that. We will pop the hood, take a look at a couple other mods we did. But it's a 2020 GT. It's an auto, 85, laying down a sweet, over 470 real horsepower. So if you, like I said, subscribe and notify us up to date. Doug, let's go check it out. Okay, you normally film these in dyno cell, but dyno's booked right now. I'm sorry, I'm crammed in the corner here in the shop. We're gonna bring this hood up. So Doug, take a look at this. Like I said earlier, not a lot to look at under here. So we have basically a stock engine 2020 with a sweet JLT air induction system. This is my all-time favorite. And we installed a set of stage 2, no spring required comp cams, built oil pump gears, stainless power long tube headers, and then we're running 85. So, with the 85, we are running 47-pound fuel injectors and a Kenny Bell booster pump. I will put links in the description that you can click on to read a lot more about these products. But that's basically it on this car right here. So NA, over 470 the tires, 10-speed automatic. This will be a really fast car. It'll be fun. Most of these videos you watch, we're running supercharged Mustangs. You know that. But a lot of people love NA cars. And this is a sweet one right here. So again, description, we'll have the links to these parts. But right now, let's go check out this dyno pull. Then we're going to check out a graph. All right, Doug, on our DynoJet rated SAE, 478 real horsepower, peaking at 7,000 RPM. Torque comes in at about 403, peaking at 5,700 RPM. Now, a lot of you ask questions about camshafts, about naturally aspirated, and hey, some people love blowers, some people love naturally aspirated. And this particular client, he loves an NA car. It's a class local to him that he can race in. He can run on his radials. He want to stay in A. So he did the oil pump gears. He did the camshafts. He did the 85 with the long tube headers. And a lot of you are like, you think, man, I look at the cost of doing that. I look at the cost of the blower. Why wouldn't someone just get a blower? But a blower is not for everyone. I'm a big supercharger fan, but a lot of people are big naturally aspirated fans. And that's why we make videos like this. Let's show you what people like. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. You want to know what that costs to get installed? You email quote@brenspeed.com. Check out that description. We can ship those parts right to your door. And as always, leave a comment. I'm happy to answer. Thanks for watching.